to Kryoni Journal Management System tutorial. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the site info section. In our earlier videos, we have seen how to create a new journal, and you will be having doubt that how author can view the submission link and submit their manuscript. That's where the site info comes in. Now let's see how the author can access the author submission link. From your dashboard, go to the journal settings and click on site info. Here you will find a unique submission link automatically generated for your journal. This link acts as the direct entry point for the author who wish to submit their manuscript. This ensures that the author doesn't have to search across multiple menus or pages. Instead, they have one dedicated access point to begin their submission process immediately. Once you have this link, you can embed this link directly to your journal website. You can just simply copy paste it and you can add it in the appropriate section of your website. Let's say, for example, if your website you are having a menu for submit your manuscript, you can embed this link. So whenever the author clicks the submit manuscript button, it redirects to the author submission page. Let's preview and see this. So whenever author clicks on this link, it will be redirected to their submission portal. So from here, the author can enter their email address and start using the submission platform. So now let's see how to edit this submission link. At times, journal may need to update their submission link. For example, when migrating to a new domain or restructuring their submission workflow. To edit this submission link, you can just simply click on here and you can add or delete the submission link. I'm just adding K and saving it. So now your submission link has been updated. Now let's see adding additional information link. Beyond submission, the site info section also allows administrator to enrich the journal's landing page with valuable information link. So as you can see here, under the additional link section, there's a separate section for authors, reviewers, and about the journal. So let's say, for example, in the author submission, so in this for author section, you can add a link to the author guidelines or submission instructions. This will help the author to understand the formatting requirements, policies, and the submission process in details. In this reviewer section, you can add the reviewer's guidelines. And in the more about the journal, you can add the journal about us page content here. So that this will give an insight to the authors while clicking that link. So now I'm entering the demo link here. So we can enter the respective URLs and hit the button create save. So now you can see the URL is updated. Let's see the preview option. So you can see there is a new link has been updated here. So whenever the author is clicking this link, they can get the author guidelines page, more about the journal page and all. So in summary, the site info section in JMS provides administrators with complete control over how authors, reviewers access resources and submit their manuscript. From managing the submission link to adding helpful guidelines, this feature streamlines workflow and ensure a smooth publishing process. Thank you for watching this demo, and you can explore JMS today and simplify your journal management journey. Thank you.